Go.
All right, here we've got an M5 wood, 5-foot rotary mower. Gearbox seems to be turning freely. You guys got that set up nice, so we can turn that. It's supported. That's nice. Model M5. It does have some non-factory welds right here. Right here, it's got a little hole in it. It's got a little rust here. They left grass set on it. That's what happened. That's what happens when you don't clean them off. A little bit of rust right here on this side. On the but I think it's definitely functional because the deck is good. Like the deck's not rusted out. Just did it in those seams. It is a 540 PTO. No step jumper. And does have a little place right here where the PTO maybe was rubbing on it. But and I don't think this piece is factory. I think they put that on there for support. So they fixed some necessary things for it to still be usable. And like I say, the gearbox feels good, and you saw it turning underneath, so should work. It's no beauty queen, but they won't be when you get done using them in the grass and woods anyway. So you're gonna buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction.